In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Start by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager and tap on any password to delete it. Last but not least, after entering your screen lock, tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!